Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start addressing a short circuit issue in your Acer Nitro 5, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid losing any small components. Begin by shutting down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, and then proceed to unscrew the base of the laptop. Make sure to keep track of the screws as you remove them, as they can be of different sizes. Organizing them in a small container can prevent confusion during reassembly. Once the base is off, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt areas or corrosion. If you notice any dust buildup, use the can of compressed air to gently clean the internal parts. Remember to hold the can upright to avoid moisture accumulation on the components. Next, carefully check the connection points of the CPU and RAM. Reseat them if necessary to ensure a solid connection. If you don't have the tools for this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. After reseating, inspect the wiring and connections for any signs of wear or damage. Pay close attention to the power supply area, as this is often where short circuits can originate. If you spot any frayed wires, you might need to replace them to prevent further issues. If you're unsure about the repairs needed, our service includes a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once you have inspected and cleaned the internals, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU before placing the heatsink back on, ensuring that it makes proper contact. After reassembly, power on your laptop. If it boots normally, great. If not, further diagnostics may be needed. Before any repair work, it's wise to get a quote before repair, so you are fully aware of the costs involved. This can help you make an informed decision about whether to proceed with repairs or consider a new device. In summary, fixing a short circuit in your Acer Nitro 5 involves careful inspection, cleaning, and reassembly. If you're hesitant to tackle these tasks yourself, remember that with no calls and no travel, our services can help you get your laptop back in working order conveniently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.